Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I would like to show you a very tasty appetizer which is made of mushrooms. That's the main ingredients. For this recipe you're going to need some butter, shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, you will need mushrooms, some parsley, and I have some chives, and we will add some Parmesan cheese. If you have some other cheese that you like, you can add it too. I have some Gruyere here in the fridge, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that too. But the Parmesan on its own is perfectly fine. And we're going to need some salt and pepper. I have now separated the mushrooms into 2 pieces like that. So you remove this part. It's very easily, you just snap it off and you clean both parts. You clean this part and the head. So I will now start sauteing the onions and the garlic for a few minutes, and once that's done, I will actually cut these into small pieces and we will add it later. I will now cut this part of the mushroom into small pieces that we will add to the onion and garlic that is currently sauteing. And at this point I will turn on the oven. So turn it on for 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, the mushrooms have a little bit of color. Everything is nicely sauteed. I will add the parsley that I also cut in small pieces, and I chop the chives. So add everything in and just give it a stir. You can turn it off. Now add the mixture of the onions, garlic, mushrooms and herbs into a bowl and add cheese. Now take a baking pan and put a baking sheet on it. I'll just put a little bit of butter on top of the sheet. Just spread it like this. Just do it with my fingers. And I place the mushrooms in the tray. Take a little bit of salt, put it on, put a little bit of pepper, and now you fill the mushrooms with the mixture that we made. We fill the mushrooms with the mixture, and now it's ready to go to the oven. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is it. Baked mushrooms with Parmesan cheese. You will not disappoint any guests with this. It's a very simple appetizer that's ready in about 30 minutes, and I guarantee that you will love it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.